Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Wayne Dyer 101 Ways to Transform Your Life. Okay, here we are with part 12, Principle 12. And this one, I would say, is one of the most valuable principles. It's in my top five. I absolutely love this principle. I definitely think this one is way more useful than the last one. But yeah, that's just me, and everybody's entitled to their own opinions on it. They could be all equally useful, but I think as humans, we're not going to find them all equally useful. We're going to find some more useful than others, and different people are going to find some way more valuable than other ones. Enough said, let's get to this principle. I call this principle the I am what I am principle, which is what he says about like three times in the 40 seconds or so that he talks about this one. So, I am what I am is really getting at the idea that we should just be who we are as long as we're not hurting anybody else in the process. So if we're not stealing from people, if we're not hurting them, if we're not doing any of that stuff to get what we want, then we should just be whoever we want to be. And this is extremely valuable, I think, because so many people are always obsessed with the fact that they need to be this perfect person that everybody expects them to be. So they can't stand up to anybody. They have to pretend like they're in high school forever. There's a wonderful 100 ways to motivate yourself book that I'm also going to do a series like this on, but that's for later on. That has a part about how everybody's always stuck in high school. But really, I feel like that's the case. Like, high school is so about appearances, and you have to look like this, and you just have to put on this role that's not you. You have to not be yourself. You have to confine yourself to being this other person that people want you to be. So in this case, he's really saying, no. Forget that. Forget high school. Even if you're in high school, don't do that, okay? Be who you are. You don't need to apologize about it. Just be who you freaking are, enjoy your life as who you are and do whatever you want as long as you're not harming anybody. So don't hurt anybody, but like be whoever you want as long as you don't do that. I think that's wonderful because so many people feel like, oh, I have to please my father, I have to please my mother, I have to, have my coach like me or my teacher like me or this person like me, otherwise I'll never find another romantic partner or whatever. He's saying, no. Okay, just be whoever you want to be and don't be so concerned about all these other people as long as you're not hurting them. So, like, don't hurt them, just don't just be like, oh, I'm just going to take what I want. So, like, since I just want this stuff, I'm just gonna take all your stuff, or don't be that kind of like thief or anything, and don't put people in situations where you emotionally hurt them. But he's saying do whatever you want as long as it doesn't hurt anybody. Okay, like, don't be so obsessed with you have to do this for people and have to do that, but just be whoever you are and have a good time doing it. I am what I am. Thanks everybody for watching. I will see you guys next time with part 13. Let's do it.